Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something incredibly delicious and intriguing on the menu. That's right, we're diving into the world of wonton soup. But hold on tight, because we're not just serving up a piping hot bowl of this iconic dish. We've also got some surprising and unknown facts about wonton soup that will blow your taste buds away. So, grab your chopsticks and get ready for a savory adventure. Before we dive into those unknown facts, let's quickly go over what wonton soup actually is. Originating from Cantonese cuisine, wonton soup is a beloved dish consisting of delicate dumplings called wontons, floating in a flavorful, aromatic broth. These wontons are usually filled with a mixture of ground meat, such as pork or shrimp, and are sealed into little pockets of dough. They're then gently cooked in a savory broth, which can be enhanced with various spices and ingredients. Fact number 1, wonton origins. Did you know that wonton soup has a rich history that can be traced back over 800 years? Yep, that's right. Wontons are believed to have originated during the Song dynasty in China. Over time, they spread across different regions, each adding its own unique twist to the dish. Today, wonton soup is enjoyed not only in China but also in various parts of the world, thanks to Chinese diaspora and its culinary influence. Fact number 2, symbolic significance. Wontons have a fascinating symbolic significance in Chinese culture. Their shape is said to resemble ingots, which were ancient Chinese currency. So, not only is wonton soup a delicious treat, but it also brings a touch of fortune to the table. Fact number 3, versatile fillings. When it comes to wonton fillings, the options are nearly endless. From chicken and beef to vegetarian options like mushrooms and tofu, you can customize your wontons to suit your taste and dietary preferences. It's a great way to experiment with flavors and get creative in the kitchen. Fact number 4, wonton wrapping techniques. Have you ever wondered how wontons are wrapped so perfectly? Well, it's all in the technique. There are several ways to fold and shape wontons, each with its own unique style. Some common techniques include the simple triangle fold, the more intricate flower fold, and the classic coin purse fold. Fact number 5, wontons beyond soup. While wonton soup is undeniably delicious, wontons can be enjoyed in various other preparations too. These versatile dumplings can be deep fried to create crispy wontons, which make for fantastic appetizers or snacks. Additionally, steamed wontons can be served with dipping sauces, adding a delightful touch to any meal. So, don't be afraid to explore the world of wontons beyond the soup bowl. And there you have it, foodies, some lesser known facts about wonton soup that are sure to elevate your appreciation for this delightful dish. Remember, the next time you savor a bowl of wonton soup, you'll have a deeper understanding of the history, symbolism, and versatility behind this culinary gem. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting food explorations. And as always, let us know in the comments below what your favorite wonton filling is or any other surprising facts you've discovered about this beloved dish. Until next time, keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep satisfying your cravings.